Okay, so a quick one about EG. We are arriving soon there, and I wanted to point out this confluence here. If we look on the weekly chart, we have, I am using here two important retracements and some ABCs inside. So you see this retracement is the red one that is mirroring this move from June 2015 to December 08, and the dark dotted lines here are measuring this move from June 2015 to this top here in March 20 when we had this COVID move, the famous COVID move. So what I like this red one here, and I like, of course, the dark one, but the red one, I like it because we see how we came to the 8086 fib. We can reverse that one. And we see how we came really to the peak in this area to post the top on March 2020, really to the peak here. And then we have been respecting this 78.6, 76.40 area. You see we have a good area of resistance, support and resistance there. Of course, like always, EG is always overshooting a little bit, but we see clearly we had a good reaction there. And we had, for example, here on the 38.2, we have a very good reaction. We came back here and pulled back from that area very, very, very nicely. So, and the black one, of course, is valid because it's the last swing. But that's what everybody is looking at, and that's not always the one that we are willing to use because they are not always the best to use. So on I go fast because it's just moving now. I am taking a little bit there. So if we look here inside, that's where we are right now. So we are arriving now on this 50%. That's the big red one I just said. This is the 50% together with that ABC 1272 extension. You see ABC here. If we put it on the Heikin-Achi candle, and on a daily, you see it's a very clean ABC. Very, very nice one, this orange one. So let's go back here. You see we had a reaction there. That was a one-to-one extension of that ABC. We have reacted very nicely. Let me put it in regular candle. That's where we went long on the first move. I think it was 2 days ago or something like that. So we went long here. We have a very nice long setup. You see we are starting to struggle a little bit. We have some buyers influence here. I know it's end of year, but I am very, very confident that we could get a nice reaction in this area right there. I will put this one in different color just to make it clearer. So that's what I'm looking at now. So we have this 50% inside fib, we have this 50% retracement fib, we have that 1272 extension of that ABC down. So that's enough for me to start another trade here. I'm expecting to get a reaction and perhaps a move. I'm expecting a much bigger move than this small one we had on 2 days ago. I'm expecting 150 to 200 pips move on the EG when we will see this correction, and perhaps even a bottom, depending how we will react on the end of year close. So that's all for EG today. I wanted to share it because I think it can be a really good place to do some scalp or some longer term trade today, despite we are in this period that is not the easiest one to trade. Have a nice day.